Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about how to write an algorithm. In our last two videos, we have discussed what is an algorithm and different characteristics of an algorithm. Already we understood that algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a well-defined computational problem. And before writing a program, we need to write the steps to solve the problem in simple English language. So, how to write an algorithm? By taking an example, we will discuss how to write the algorithm. Suppose you are given this problem, write an algorithm to find area of a rectangle. So first, what you will do? First of all, we have to know the formula for this area of rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle of length and breadth, L and B respectively. Now by multiplying these L and B, we will get the area of a given rectangle. Basing on this formula, we have to write the algorithm for the given problem. So, to solve this problem, we have to follow some steps in order. So first of all, write down step 1, start. That means start the algorithm. Step 2, take length and breadth and store them in L and B. Here L and B are the variables. Variable means it is used to store the value according to user's choice. So according to user's choice, you can store any value within this L and B. I will explain about these variables in other videos. Okay. Now in step 3, multiply L and B. That means the value of L and B will be multiplied and stores the result in another variable area. In step 4, print the area. That means prints the value which is stored in the variable area. And at last, write step 5, stop. That means stop the algorithm. So this is the algorithm for the area of rectangle. Now you can implement this algorithm in any programming language you want. Now we will discuss one more example. Write an algorithm to check whether she or he is eligible to vote. And the criteria is age more than or equals to 18 years old. That means if the person is greater than or equals to 18 years, he will be eligible for vote, otherwise not. So what will be the algorithm for this problem? Now we will see. So first of all, write down the step 1, start. That means start the algorithm. Step 2, take age as input. Now in step 3, check the value of age. If the age is greater than or equals to 18, then go to step 4. In step 4, it is written eligible to vote and then go to step 6. Go to step 6 means after printing eligible to vote, the control will go to the step 6. That means the algorithm will stop. And if the criteria or the condition fails, that means if the age is less than 18, then it will go to else part. That means the control will be moved to step 5. In step 5, it is written not eligible to vote. Then it will move to the step 6, that is stop the algorithm. So here some of the portion of the algorithm will be executed and others will not. Similarly, when other portion executes, the remaining portion will not be executed. And at last we will see one more example. Write an algorithm to check whether the given number is positive or negative or 0. If the number is greater than 0, then that is positive. If the number is less than 0, then that is negative. Otherwise, the number is 0. Basing on these conditions, we have to write the algorithm. Now we will see. Same as before, first start the algorithm in step 1. In step 2, take any number and store it in the variable n. That means read n. And now check whether n is greater than 0 or not. So in step 3, check if the value of n is greater than 0, then go to step 5. What is written in step 5? Given number is positive. And then go to step 8. Step 8 means stop the algorithm. If n is not greater than 0, then it will move to the else part. In the else part, it is written go to step 4. In step 4, again we have to check the value of n. If n is less than 0, then go to step 6. In step 6, it is written given number is negative and then go to step 8. Step 8 means stop the algorithm. Suppose in step 4, if n is not less than 0, then this condition fails. That means neither in greater than 0 nor in less than 0. So what will happen? It will move to the else part. That means else part of step 4. That means it will go to step 7. So in step 7, it is written given number is 0. Next it moves to the step 8. That means stop the algorithm. So here we can understand that either any one of the step 5 or step 6 or step 7 is executing. That means a portion of the algorithm is executing. Means selected portion of the algorithm is executing, not all. So all these are how to write the algorithm for the given task. If you understand the concept in my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.